Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Integrate this rational function quickly using partial fractions. Let's break it down and find the correct answer together now. First, decompose the fraction into simpler parts. Set x plus 1 over x times x plus 3 equal to a over x plus b over x plus 3. Next, we solve for our constants by multiplying through. Setting x to 0 gives a equals 1/3, and setting x to -3 gives b equals 2/3. You got this! Finally, integrate each term separately. This gives 1/3 natural log of x plus 2/3 natural log of x plus 3 plus c. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, always trust given values, and check your steps.